Hello and welcome back to Colonial Airstream. My name is Patrick Botticelli and I'm a salesperson at the dealership. Today we're at the Hershey RV show. I'm going to showcase the all-new 2025 Airstream Caravel 20FB. This trailer is 21 feet from ball to bumper, 9 feet 5 from the ground to the top of the air conditioning system, and it has a 4,100 pound dry weight. You got 900 pounds of net cargo carrying capacity, a maximum gross vehicle weight rating of 5,000 pounds. The hitch weight is 650 pounds. This trailer is 8 feet wide and is towable by many mid-size SUVs and pickup trucks. So I'm going to give you a quick walk around the outside. We're at a show, so I'm going to do a little bit quicker, and then we'll head on inside to check out the new decor. Zipped awning. You got stainless steel wrap protectors over the body, protected solar stone guards over your glass, and that beautiful front panoramic window. The front window opens all the way up. Two 20-pound propane tanks, electric hitch jack, 2 5/16 inch ball, safety chains, trailer breakaway cable, 7-way because it has electric brakes. There's 200 amp hours lithium batteries with heat and optional 200 watts of solar. You got a spare tire underneath. You got a steel frame that's boxed, heated tanks, and fully enclosed underbelly for that cold weather protection. You got LED running lights all the way down. You got a window awning option. The window awning package is what one looks like when it's pulled out. Really helps shade and cool off that aluminum. Tankless water heater, which is propane. Stabilizer jacks all 4 corners of the trailer. 225/75 R15 load range E Goodyear Endurance tires. Max inflate to 80 PSI. You got a drip tube in the wheel well for your air conditioning. Never lube hubs, never adjust brakes. Check your lug nut torque each and every time before you transport. Outside utility shower with hot and cold water and a wand. 30 amp shore power smart plug. High pressure black tank flush. City water connection with water pressure regulator built right in. Has 24 gallons of fresh water, 30 gallons of gray waste, and 18 gallons of black waste. The discharge is right over here for black and gray. There's a waste hose storage tube underneath the trailer. You have cable and Ethernet port inlet. And look at this beautiful buck riveted aluminum stretch form panels on the corner. You got your center belt line protection, beautiful Caravel medallion. You got your rub rail protection. Porthole windows here in the bathroom. Around back, you got a polished rear bumper with rear bumper storage. Lockable freshwater potable tank fill. Lockable insulated weather sealed rear compartment. Vinyl flooring throughout. There's a light in here. You got your license plate bracket. Rear window that opens over the kitchen. The rear window awning just locks right in place. Just like that. And check out on top, it's actually metal wrapped. And the roof of the trailer is aluminum. It's got a white coating, which reflects the sunlight, keeps the interior temperature down a lot cooler. Also allows great adhesion point for all the protrusions. The ribs of the trailer are all aluminum structure, so there's no wood in any of the structure. It's got a composite subfloor, so it's not plywood, it's not particle board, it's a one-piece composite floor. You got a propane furnace over here, outside GFCI protected electrical outlet. You got a catch for your main entry door, cooktop ventilation over your galley kitchen area. You got some porthole windows, extruded aluminum gutter rail over the entry door, double lock for the main door. Screen door detaches, all aluminum, TIG welded. Beautiful hinges here on the outside. Screen door guards. This pops in, aluminum Thule step. You got a step light. Of course, Airstream's got the emerald rating for the certified green. I'm going to take my shoes off and put them in the shoe storage right there. Beautiful vinyl flooring throughout. On top of that composite floor, you got a fire extinguisher here by the entry door, a little pocket for storage, battery disconnect, dimmable LED lights, some hooks, dry erase board, and welcome to the space. Check this thing out. 48 by 78 bed up front, and at the head and foot of the bed, there's some hampers that you could flip up for additional storage. There's also USB and dimmable lights. You got 2 speakers in the bedroom, 2 speakers in the ceiling, and a subwoofer on board. Overhead roof locker storage over here. plywood with laminate for all the cabinets, no particle board, no sticker wrap. Look at that panoramic view. I mean, you can lay in bed and wake up and look at the view. That window opens. All the windows that open have insect screens built right into them. Blackout curtains if you want all privacy. You got reading lights over the bed too. 2 ducts for your ducted air conditioning system that goes throughout the whole trailer in the bedroom. You could even close the bedroom off with this privacy curtain. Beautiful pillow top mattress. Storage underneath the bed. You got storage over here. You also got a storage here, another one over here, and a wardrobe that's lighted. Max air fan, motorized lid, variable speed control, rain sensor with a shade. It's easy to come out. You can clean your fan blade and the screen. And also you got a MERV 8 filter for your air conditioning intake, which you could clean periodically. I do recommend that because they clog very quickly. A lot of dust and debris when you're camping in a small space. Dinette table over here, plenty of room for 2 adults to sit next to each other, so you got 4 across. You got 2 big windows that open, privacy shades, one here, one there. You also have a light over the dinette table, and upholstery here is very durable and very comfortable. Airstream does an incredible job with their upholstery and their foaming inside the seats. Overhead roof locker storage. This has a 2,000 watt inverter that comes standard, so there's inverter outlets throughout the trailer. There's one up here. You got your Ethernet port. You also have HDMI, so you can plug in a device and power to the TV. Antenna booster, USB charge, and Bluetooth stereo system. Table folds into a bed, so you're going to lift it up. There's another outlet underneath there. It's a regular outlet, non-inverter. Folds down, lays on those rails right there, and then you take the backrests off, which are very thick and heavy. Look at the thickness of that. Squeeze it in place, and me being 5'9", I could sleep here. Someone could sleep next to me. Easy peasy. Really good for 2 kids, right? All right, now welcome to the kitchen area. You got a little pantry, outlet, TV, an LED 12-volt TV, swivels around. Nice and slim here, large screen. You got your refrigerator with freezer. You got a magnet to keep that open. There's a 12-volt compressor style. CO detector and LP leak detector. Battery converter charger, breakers, or fuses. You got another storage pocket over here. And then moving over, you got a overhead roof locker. You got a window over here. Plenty of counter space. Got a drawer. Another drawer. These are all full extension. Another one over here. This one flips down. The wheel well is right behind it. Over here is the smoke detector and the thermostat for the GE Profile air conditioning with heat pump. 3-burner gas cooktop with ventilation and a light above. Convection microwave option, which is very popular. It comes standard with a regular microwave. Get your furnace intake. Back here, you're able to control and turn on and off your inverter system. Monitor your solar intake. Sea level 2 tank monitoring, so you can monitor your battery, freshwater, gray, and black, all based on percentages, not thirds, not quarters, percentages. And you can also turn on your demand water pump here. You got a GFCI protected electrical outlet, and then over here, you got a huge kitchen sink. And you can bathe your little doggy in here. You got a rear window that opens with privacy shade, premium faucet fixtures here. You also have a trash pail, which that's nice. It's routed so that doesn't move around. Plenty of storage in here. And up top, you got another max air fan, motorized lid, variable speed control, thermostat control, and rain sensor. And the top of the bathroom door is gapped. There's a fan in there, but there's also a fan out here, so you can really exhaust that bathroom, get rid of stale air or the steam. Open this up, you got a little towel bar here on the back of the door. When you come in, you got a porcelain toilet with a foot pedal. Privacy for when you're in here, plenty of counter space. Storage down below with toilet paper holder. Nice size sink, GFCI protected electrical outlet. You got a light switch, tankless water heater control, medicine cabinet, towel bar, lights. If it's too bright, you can turn one off. Ducted air conditioning, vent fan, roll-away shower door with squeegee, of course. premium faucet and fixtures and sprayer. There's also a clothesline in here that you can bring across to hang your bathing suit. Pocket here, and a seat so you can chill out in here. Alright, well this concludes the tour of the all-new 2025 Airstream Caravel 20FB. This trailer is available at Colonial Airstream in Millstone Township, New Jersey, and I'm a salesperson. If you enjoyed this video and you're interested in buying one, why sell them? You can call me at 800-265-9019. Visit our website at colonialairstream.com. And this is a full walkthrough tour, but if you like those short videos, we do a lot of shorts on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And I'll see you next time.